Painting doors tips and tricks. First, I went and I bought all these plastic panels from Home Depot and made plastic walls out of them so I could prep the inside of my garage. And I did it in this way so I could make sure there was proper ventilation. Then I prepped my doors by sanding them all down, making sure the surfaces were smooth. I got my blue tape and went around all the doorknobs and the hinges, making sure I don't destroy the door. This is a really important part of the prepping process. If you're not careful about your taping, you'll end up with tons of cleanup at the end. I had to put on my mask and my goggles, and I have this very elaborate, t-shirt to cover my hair, because as every lady knows, getting paint in your hair, that's not a winning situation, and it takes forever to come out. So here's the deal. I went the other day and I picked up this paint sprayer. It was called a Wagner 2000. It cost like $150 and I wasn't sure how it was going to work, but I have to say I was very satisfied with how easy it was. If you ever paint doors like this, it can take forever. One of the things I liked is I could pour almost a half gallon of paint into that bottom tub and it would just keep on going. I did paint 9 doors in 2 days, and this was a really handy tool. Fun fact, I only used 1 gallon of paint for all 9 doors. This is a secret weapon I have. While I'm in the middle of a project, I keep my paintbrushes in a Ziploc bag so they're ready to go and I don't have to wash them between doing a 2-day project like this. And my other secret tip is I like to make something called a slip. I have some paint in a can and then I add some water to it and mix it all up really well and it turns into this drippy paint, but you can go over a surface really fast and it smooths out any imperfections. When I'm all done with my project, I'll take the paintbrush and put it back in the Ziploc bag and leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Just in case when I'm walking by and I see an imperfection on a door or a wall or the molding, I have something readily accessible to grab and just do a quick little touch up. And then when I'm really, really finished, that's when I wash out the paintbrush. Well, it's time to start on another door. Take the hinge out, get a partner to help you carry the heavy door. And you're ready to rock and roll.